Hey, Steve Chrysler here from Bookkeeping Life. I want to talk to you today about 3 things you need to be bringing to the table if you want to be successful at starting your own bookkeeping business. The first one is determination. I see this all the time, that people don't bring the determination, they don't get results, and they wonder why. You can't run any business without determination. You can't run a pizza shop without determination. If you want to do well at anything, you have to be determined. I think we all know that. The second one is consistency. I think we probably all know this too. You have to consistently work on your craft. One of the rules I preach and live by is the 1% rule. If you get better at something by at least 1% every day, you will get really good at it. Because every day you're getting 1% better than you were before, and that's compounded. So you will see tremendous growth over a year, tremendous growth over 2 years, 3 years. It just gets better and better. It's the gift that keeps on giving, is when you invest in yourself. So determination, consistency, and then knowing that you're going to start simple. You don't have to know everything going in. You can't know everything going in. The best bookkeepers in the world, best business owners in the world didn't know how to do it before they got into it or before they started that journey. So you have to understand that you're going to start simple. You have to start simple. And if you keep that in mind, you don't get discouraged. You don't get too fearful of starting. You can't be fearful of starting. You just got to go. So, but if you're determined to make it, you want to make this change in your life, you can. You have to bring the determination. You have to be consistent. And then remember that you're going to start simple. And I'll help you do that. If you have any questions, you can email me, steve@bookkeepinglife.com. I love receiving emails from people who are serious about changing their life. You can change your life for the better, and I'm here to help. All right, I hope you have a great day. Take care.